Rich colors, gentle movement, watercolor flow. This course is all about mindful creativity, immersing yourself in the gentle, calming experience of watercolor painting. Through 5 unique nature-inspired projects, we'll explore mindfulness exercises that help you to relax, embrace the moment, and dive fully into the creative flow. We'll practice letting go of perfectionism and embrace a simpler, more organic way of painting, one that allows you to paint with more confidence and purpose. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to create beautiful, effortless, nature-inspired pieces of art. We'll begin with basic mindfulness practices that help you release the stress, the overthinking that so often gets in the way of the creative spirit. Then, starting with basic painting techniques, I'll show you how to turn even the simplest of watercolor exercises into calming, mindful moments. From mindful balanced stones to blueberry wreaths, birch trees, and misty landscapes, you'll walk away with frame-worthy watercolor paintings and a deeper connection with your creative soul. Whether you're already familiar with watercolors or are just getting started, this course is designed to help you slow down, explore the beautiful art of watercolor painting, and reconnect with your creative soul.